Hello and welcome to Evenness. Today, we're breaking down key global digital accessibility standards, what they mean and why they matter. Let's start with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, the global benchmark for digital accessibility. Developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines sets technical standards to make websites and apps accessible to people with disabilities and evolving health needs. The latest version, WCAG 2.2, builds on previous guidelines and remains the foundation for many legal requirements worldwide. Now, let's dive into regional regulations. In Europe, the European Accessibility Act will take full effect on June 28, 2025, requiring all private businesses selling goods and services online to comply with WCAG 2.1, Level AA. Meanwhile, another standard EN 301549 already mandates digital accessibility for public sector websites and mobile applications across the EU. Moving to Canada, there are two key laws. The Accessible Canada Act sets accessibility standards for federally regulated organizations, following WCAG 2.1, Level AA. The Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act applies to both public and private organizations in Ontario, enforcing WCAG 2.0 Level AA compliance. In the United States, web accessibility is largely governed by the Americans with Disabilities Act, which prohibits digital discrimination against people with disabilities, though it doesn't explicitly define web accessibility. WCAG 2.1 Level AA is widely accepted as the standard. Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act, which requires federal agencies and organizations receiving federal funding to follow WCAG 2.0 Level AA. Finally, in the United Kingdom, the Equality Act 2010 prohibits discrimination against disabled individuals, including in the digital space. Though it doesn't list specific web standards, UK government regulations recommend compliance with WCAG 2.1 Level AA. So, why does all this matter? Well, beyond mitigating the risks of non-compliance and potential litigation, which can result in hefty fines, digital accessibility is about creating an inclusive and efficient online world for everyone. Whether you're a business, developer, or content creator, adhering to these standards ensures that your digital spaces are not only usable but also health-centric, catering to people of all abilities. This fosters a positive experience, encouraging users to return and build a lasting connection with your brand. Are you interested in learning more about WCAG compliance? Click the link in our post.